So I'm totally into like baking and cooking at the minute, so I've decided today I'm gonna make a Rocky Road, but I'm gonna put like a really good twist on it. I'm gonna do chocolate orange Rocky Road instead. I'm just following my own recipe that I used on TikTok a while ago, and yeah, let's make some chocolate orange Rocky Road. So I'm firstly starting off with golden syrup. We need like a big pan, which I've got here, because we're basically gonna melt all the ingredients in here. So the first thing you need is 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. In that goes, and that's the second one in as well. Now we need to add in our chocolate. You can kind of use like any chocolate of choice. If you want to make normal Rocky Road, then just use like normal milk chocolate. Or if you want to make milk chocolate Rocky Road, use milk chocolate, like white chocolate. So, but I'm going to be using chocolate orange. So I'm going to put like 1 and probably like 3/4 of chocolate orange into my pan. Chocolate orange literally smells insane. Going in. Next, I'm adding in 150 grams of unsalted butter. That is now all in that pan. So now I'm going to switch on my heat and start melting all of this. So whilst that is melting, I'm going to start like crushing up my digestives. You need 450 grams of like crushed digestives. So obviously my hands are clean, I've washed them. I'm literally just going to kind of like break them up in my hand. Just to kind of like that, but it's all okay if they're all different sizes because that's how it's supposed to be. So just like this really. So the mixture actually melts pretty fast and it smells amazing. Like I just love the smell of chocolate orange. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave that to melt. I've put it on quite a low heat to melt. Here is all of my crushed digestives and they're ready to go in when my mixture's melted. Also, whilst I'm waiting for that to melt, I've just lined my baking tray. I put like the tabs on the edges just so it's easier to like pull the block of Rocky Road out. So my mixture is now fully melted. I'm gonna start pouring in my digestive biscuit. I'm just gonna kind of start mixing them in gradually. So I'm gonna pour like that in and then mix that through. So once all the digestives are coated, you can then add in anything else you want, like raisins or anything. I'm gonna add in mini marshmallows. In they are, and then I'm just gonna mix them into the mixture as well. Sorry about the washing machine, I know it's super loud. When your mixture's looking like this, it's time to put it in the tray. So here it is in the tin. I've literally pressed it down so much with the spoon, as you could see. So now I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and I'm gonna leave that in the fridge for like a good few hours just to set so it's really nice and hard. Here it is. I've already snacked on a little bit, as you can see, and I can confirm it tastes amazing. Literally so good.